Hey, I'm Elijah with Paid Memberships Pro, and today I'm going to walk you through your membership site email configuration in WordPress via the PM Pro email settings. To find your PM Pro email settings, go to Memberships, Settings, Email Settings in the WordPress admin panel. Here you'll find a few different options. In the Send Emails From section, you can set the from email address and name that your members will see in their inbox. They'll use the native WordPress settings by default, so make sure to update these to keep everything consistent. These settings apply to all emails sent from WordPress. If you want to apply them only to emails originating from PM Pro, tick the Only Filter PM Pro Emails option. PM Pro will also tell you whether a third-party email provider is detected or not. By default, WordPress sends mail via PHP, which relies on your site's server for deliverability. For most servers, this is not a great option, so a separate email provider is recommended. This enables WordPress to send emails through a dedicated email server with much higher deliverability rates and reliability overall. You can use an email provider such as Google Workspace or Brevo for transactional emails. This will require some manual setup, and you'll want to send some test emails from WordPress afterwards to ensure it's all working as expected. Note that if you're a PM Pro Max customer and your site is hosted by us, you have built-in transactional email support via the pmpromailer.com domain. This is great for brand new sites sending a smaller number of transactional emails. But you'll still need an email provider if you want to send emails from your custom domain, have mailboxes, or send marketing emails. Next, we have an option to turn WordPress's default user registration email back on. By default, PM Pro disables this since new members receive an email already after signing up, so the WordPress notification would be redundant. We recommend leaving this box unticked, but you can turn on the default user registration notification email if you need it for any reason. In the email logging section, you can configure PM Pro's built-in email logging options. Email logging is an important tool in troubleshooting deliverability issues. If customers ever report not receiving important emails, the email log should give you some helpful clues as to why. By default, email logging is enabled, but you can turn it off if you'd like. If you leave it on, which is recommended, you can adjust how often it purges the log. Or you can manually purge the log entries by ticking the Purge All Entries box and then saving. To view your email log, click the link in the email logging section description or navigate to Reports, Email Log, and click Details. Finally, click Save All Settings. Note that you can also configure the contents and other details for each type of email that PM Pro sends under Settings, Email Templates. Now you know how to set up your PM Pro email settings. You should be able to tackle your WordPress membership site's email configuration with no problem. To learn more about Paid Memberships Pro and get started for free, visit paidmembershipspro.com. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the rest of our channel for more helpful content about how to run your own membership site.